Welcome, in front of me is a Partner PS2, and today I'll show you how to transfer photos, videos, or any kind of other file from the device to the SD card. So to get started, you want to open up File Manager app, which is right here. And from it, it's gonna, by default, open up the internal storage of the device. So all you need to do is just tap on All to gain access to a little bit more or easily navigatable menu, at least for me. And primary thing that you need to keep in mind is DCIM will have all your photos that you have captured with the device along with videos. Pictures on the bottom will have screenshots that you have done with the device. Downloads will have most likely anything that you have downloaded using a web browser or emails, stuff like that. So once you navigate to the place where you have your files, for me it's going to be a picture that I have taken, so it's going to be under DCIM and camera. You can see it's right here, so I could just select it just so you can see it. That's the plain and excuse of a photo that I have done of just the monitor behind. So once you find it, all you need to do is just tap on it to select it like so. And if you have multiple photos you can add or files, you can basically select them the same way. If you have entire folder of photos that you want to move, you can go back and just select the entire folder like this. And you can see also I can add 2 folders. It doesn't really matter, there's no limitation to this, so you can do it however you like. So I'm just gonna keep the entire folder selected like so, and once it's selected you can navigate to wherever it is that you want to move it to. So I'm gonna go back to SD card, and again all, and I can paste it right in here. So you would tap on the 3 dots right here and you will have move selected here or copy selected here. Now move will basically remove it from the phone and move it to the SD card, while copy will keep the one copy of it where it is right now and add another one onto the SD card. So I'm just going to select for this option move. You will see a progress, and now it's moved. So for some reason it got a little bit weird because it took it out of the folder for some reason. It's supposed to be in here, but it's not. But you can see it's still the same photo. So that is how you would move it. And this works basically with any file, so it doesn't limit it to pictures or videos. It works with folders and any kind of other document, stuff like that. And yeah, that is how you would move it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.